Join me as I take on the challenge of creating an epic motion design animation that will totally blow your mind. Motion design animation is an incredible tool for visual storytelling and creativity. It's an art form that combines technology, imagination, and skill to bring ideas to life in a way that's both captivating and engaging. From explainer videos to commercials, motion design is used everywhere to convey complex information in an easy-to-understand format. But what makes it so special is its ability to evoke emotions and spark imagination, making it an essential part of modern media. In today's digital age, motion design has become an integral part of our daily lives. We see it in social media, advertisements, even in our favorite TV shows and movies. It's a powerful medium that can transport us to new worlds, evoke feelings, and create unforgettable experiences. And yet, despite its importance, many people still don't fully appreciate the artistry and skill that goes into creating these stunning visuals. As a creator, I'm excited to share my passion for motion design with you and take you on a journey to explore the amazing world of animation. From the basics to the most advanced techniques, we'll dive into the world of motion design and discover what makes it so epic. Many people think that motion design is just about moving objects around on a screen, but it's so much more than that. It requires a deep understanding of storytelling, design principles, and technical skills. It's an art form that demands patience, practice, and dedication. And yet, despite the challenges, many aspiring animators are drawn to this exciting field, eager to learn and master the craft. One of the biggest misconceptions about motion design is that it's easy to learn. Many people think that with a few weeks of practice, they can become a pro animator. But the truth is, motion design is a complex skill that takes years to develop. It requires a deep understanding of the principles of design, animation, and storytelling, as well as the technical skills to bring it all to life. Another misconception is that motion design is only for young people. Many people think that you need to be a tech-savvy millennial to be a good animator, but the truth is, age is just a number. With dedication and practice, anyone can learn motion design, regardless of their age or background. So, what are some of the challenges that aspiring animators face in mastering this art form? One of the biggest challenges is staying up to date with the latest software and technologies. Motion design is a constantly evolving field, and it's essential to stay current with the latest trends and tools to remain competitive. Another challenge is developing a unique style and voice. With so many talented animators out there, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd and create something truly original. Developing a strong understanding of storytelling is also crucial. Motion design is not just about moving objects around on a screen, it's about telling a story that resonates with your audience. Mastering the technical skills is also a major challenge. From learning complex software to troubleshooting rendering issues, the technical aspects of motion design can be overwhelming. Despite the challenges, many aspiring animators are driven by their passion for creativity and storytelling. They're willing to put in the time and effort to master the craft, and it's this dedication that sets them apart from the rest. So, how do you create an epic motion design animation that blows people's minds? It all starts with a concept, a spark of inspiration that sets the wheels in motion. From there, it's a process of refining the idea, developing a script, and creating a storyboard. Once you have a solid concept, it's time to start designing. This is where the magic happens, where you bring your characters and environments to life. It's a process of experimentation, trial and error, and iteration. Next, it's time to animate. This is where the technical skills come into play, where you bring your designs to life using software like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Adding sound design and music is also crucial. Sound can elevate your animation, creating a more immersive experience for your audience. Finally, it's time to render and finalize your project. This is where patience comes in, as rendering can take hours, even days. Let's take a look at an example of an epic motion design piece that showcases the artistry and skill involved. This stunning animation, created by a talented team of artists, is a masterpiece of storytelling and design. The attention to detail, the creativity, and the technical skill that went into creating this piece are truly mind-blowing. What makes this piece so extraordinary is the way it combines intricate designs, stunning visuals, and a compelling narrative to create an unforgettable experience. It's a testament to the power of motion design to evoke emotions, spark imagination, and take us on a journey. As we've seen, motion design is a complex and challenging art form that requires patience, practice, and dedication. But it's also an incredibly rewarding field that can bring people together, inspire creativity, and push the boundaries of what's possible. So, the next time you watch a motion design animation, remember the skill, sweat, and tears that went into creating it. Appreciate the artistry, the creativity, and the technical expertise that brought it to life. And if you're inspired to try your hand at motion design, don't be afraid to take the leap. With patience, practice, and dedication, you can master this incredible art form and create something truly epic. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of motion design animation. If you have a favorite example of motion design, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to check out my other video on motion design techniques and tools.